Hey guys, welcome back to Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine. In today's video, we're cooking up some sweet chili and tamarind salmon. I actually bought this salmon from my local market and I thought why not try something different. I had bought some tamarind sauce for another recipe and thought it would taste really nice with some salmon. And guys, this recipe came out perfect, so I had to share it with you. So let's get into the ingredients for today's recipe. We have some all-bay seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, all-purpose, and some black pepper. We also have some honey, spring onions, lime, bell peppers, and garlic. We have 1 red onion, tamarind sauce, sweet chili, ketchup, olive oil, and some gourmet sauce. This gourmet sauce from Costco is amazing. It adds a really nice touch to your homemade gravies and sauces. If you stop by Costco, you should definitely pick one up. So to begin, I started by cleaning my salmon steaks by letting them soak in salt and lemon juice for about 10 minutes and then rinse them off. Before I started to season my salmon, I pot dried my steaks to remove any excess water. Fish does tend to soak up water quite quickly, so it's always best to remove as much as you can. I began seasoning my salmon with all-purpose, Old Bay, some black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and some dried parsley. I then added some olive oil over the salmon to help the seasoning stick better, and this also adds moisture whilst the salmon is cooking. I left the salmon to marinate and then went ahead and chopped my peppers and onions and minced some garlic. Once my salmon was done marinating, I preheated my oven and then greased my tray before placing my fish on top. Whilst my fish began cooking in the oven, I went ahead and made my sauce. So I went in with about a teaspoon of gourmet sauce and a teaspoon of tamarind sauce too. I added a tablespoon of ketchup and a tablespoon of sweet chili, along with some honey and garlic that I minced earlier. I also added a tablespoon of blended seasoning and squeezed in the juice of half of a lime. If you have green seasoning, you can use this too. After about 15 minutes, I went back to my salmon and flipped them over and placed them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. When I took them out this time, I brushed on the sweet chili tamarind sauce and added the sliced bell peppers and the onions over too. I put my salmon back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes and then it was cooked and ready to serve. Guys, this salmon is so tasty. The combination of the tamarind sauce and the sweet chili is honestly so good, and I really hope you guys try this out. I paired my salmon with some mashed potatoes and some broccoli. The taste of the buttery mash with the sweet salmon was just beautiful. This is some carrot and beetroot that I juiced earlier that we will be adding to our channel soon. Give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments. As always, all the quantities for the recipe are listed in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more videos from Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine.